Hello there, and welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. In this short video, I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to doTERRA's Adaptiv Essential Oil Blend. The first question being, what is Adaptiv Essential Oil good for? Where do you put Adaptiv Essential Oil on your body? And is Adaptiv Essential Oil good for relaxation? I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about Adaptiv Essential Oil Blend, then keep watching this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Okay, so hey there, I'm Denise Ari, and I love using and educating others about essential oils. Every day brings challenges and complications that can put your well-being in jeopardy. Adaptiv Calming Blend is designed to help you face these stressors with a sense of peace and calm. Adaptiv includes essential oils that are revered for their soothing and uplifting aromas, include lavender, wild orange, rosemary, and spearmint. Adaptiv is useful in the home, at the workplace, and when traveling. Rub a few drops between your hands with fractionated coconut oil and inhale or diffuse in your home or office, helping you feel confident and ready to take on the day. Every oil that's a part of Adaptiv is a CPTG, which is Certified Pure Tested Grade Essential Oil. Some essential oils on the market are adulterated with synthetic fillers that can reduce their effectiveness and even be harmful to human health. doTERRA is committed to sourcing only the best ingredients, implementing safety checks to guard against contamination, and requiring third-party quality testing for every batch. This careful process ensures every bottle of doTERRA essential oil is consistent, potent, and pure. Use Adaptiv essential oil topically. To do so, mix it well with a carrier oil of your choice. Test the mixture on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your forearm. Before you apply it somewhere sensitive, like maybe your face or something that is, going to be seen. If after 24 hours you see redness or irritation, don't use that mixture. It's probably too strong for you. So now I would like to share a few different ways you can use Adaptiv essential oil. At the end of a long day, nothing soaks away stress like a relaxing Epsom salts bath. So fill your bathtub with warm water. Add the desired amount of Epsom salts and perhaps light a candle to enhance your mood. Add 3 to 4 drops of Adaptiv to melt your worries away while you relax your body in that warm bath. Now, number 2, meetings and appointments can be stressful. So keep a bottle of Adaptiv stashed in your purse or your car so that you can center yourself. Rub 1 or 2 drops between your hands and inhale it deeply, allowing the aroma to ground you for the tasks ahead. To bring the aroma and its effect with you throughout the day, subtly apply Adaptiv touch during breaks or at your desk. Number 3, too often, home can become a place of worry and stress. Restore peace to yours by diffusing Adaptiv in your entryway or living room areas, setting the mood for your day or the next gathering. The centering aroma will prompt all who enter to slow down and relax, enriching relationships and helping everyone to feel much better. Number 4, quality sleep is essential to long-term health and well-being. And a calming bedtime routine is the foundation for a good night's rest. So diffuse Adaptiv in your bedroom or massage a few drops mixed with fractionated coconut oil into the soles of your feet to wind down and take full advantage of your rest. Number 5, it's natural to have a lull in energy during the middle of a long workday. For an energized scent, rub Adaptiv Touch into your wrists or behind your ears. The uplifting aroma of the wild orange and the spearmint will perk you up for the rest of the day. And number 6, travel of any kind can be a source of frustration, and unexpected delays or hiccups can be distressing. So keep Adaptiv stowed in a carry-on bag or purse, inhaling it to ground you during life's stressful moments. On your next vacation, take Adaptiv with you wherever you go and get rid of any strange rental car odors with this DIY car oil diffuser. Just put a couple drops on a little cotton pad and set it on the mantle or cup holder area. Number 7, massage can be a powerful tool to restore both mind and body, especially when used to connect with a partner. Combine a few drops of Adaptiv with your fractionated coconut oil for a soothing massage. Feel your tension and worries melt away and help your loved ones do the same. Number 8, in a busy world, it can be difficult to prepare for a big test or a project. When sitting down at your desk, use Adaptiv to calm you as you tackle your next big task. When you're facing mental blocks, take a few minutes to breathe and inhale the aroma to help spark your next big idea. So are you wondering just how to use the essential oils? If you haven't had enough ideas up above, there are 3 common ways that we use essential oils. And the first is by diffusing. So you just use diffusing to get oils. It is the quickest way to get oils to your brain. And all you need to do is place 4 or 5 drops into a diffuser of your choice. The second way is internally. You're going to add 1 drop to 4 ounces of water or liquid and drink. It's that easy. And the third is topically. And this is the most common way essential oils are used. And what you want to do is apply 1 to 2 drops of oils with some carrier oil like the fractionated coconut oil and apply it to the desired area. Now, also keep in mind that there are always possible skin sensitivities, and that is part of the reason why you want to dilute oils with fractionated coconut oil or another carrier oil. And remember, keep out of reach of children all essential oils. If you are nursing or pregnant or under a doctor's care, please consult your physician when you want to use the essential oils. Also, avoid contact with eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas, and avoid ultraviolet rays for up to 12 hours after applying products. If you are ready to use Adaptiv essential oil, visit theeverydaymiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydaymiracle.com. Discover how great it is to use Adaptiv essential oil. If you enjoyed learning about Adaptiv essential oil and know someone who could use Adaptiv essential oils, share this video with them. Let me know in the comments below how you are using Adaptiv essential oil. And thank you so much for watching and joining me on my channel today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my other essential oil videos. And if you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are always divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit.